Okay, hi guys.
Hi.
How are you?
Hi.
Cool. Okay, really quick lesson on point of view today. Before we talk about point of view, I want to talk really quickly. I did this in another class, but not with you guys. What are pronouns? Pronoun. What kind of word? Give me an example of a pronoun. Give me an example. Instead of saying Arashi, I say what? She, right?
Yes.
So we've got she,
He,
they, it. No, not worry about that. Just subjective ones.
we,
We,
you,
you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more. I. Okay, now what is point of view? Point of view. Maybe. But for speaking English, studying English, when we say point of view, what do we mean? You're not wrong. It can be opinion. For example, reading a story, there's different points of view, right? What do we call those? The word person is in it. We have different person. Okay. What is first person? What is first person? Yeah, in a first person story, we're usually going to be saying I, right? The character's going to be saying I. The narrator is in the story, using the word I a lot. Maybe also we, right? What is second person?
she,
No? Right? Now that's a weird way to tell a story. People have done it. There are second person stories, but they're not as common as first and third person stories. Because the whole time you're saying, you do this, you do that. It's weird. It's a weird way to write. But I have written a second person story, but not a novel. I would normally just stick with short stories for that. And then we have, and so this would be you. Yeah. Then we have what?
third person.
Third person. So we have, yeah, he, she, it, they. All right, so third person. There's more than one type of third person. I'll tell you briefly, but I have another lesson where I talk about that more. There's subjective third person, meaning we're just getting one person's point of view. I say this guy does this, and we're mostly his point of view. There's objective third person, where I don't give anyone's points of view. I'm just saying what they do, but never what they're thinking, right? That's objective, just saying what these characters are doing. Most movies would be this way, objective third person. We don't know what they're thinking or feeling, right? We could just see what they're doing. And then we have omniscient third person, where we know what everyone's doing and we know what everyone's thinking. It's like God is writing the story, omniscient third person. But I talk more about that in another lesson. I just really quickly wanted to talk about point of view. Yeah? Okay, any questions?
No.
No questions?
No.
Okay, thank you guys.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.